Hello friends, Imtiaz here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. For this, log into your Facebook from desktop and click on the Facebook icon. From there, click on your image to access the account settings. And from there, click on the settings and privacy option. And then settings option. It will load a new page. In this page, look in the left hand side and click on the personal details under account setting, the account center. From there, click on your personal details. From here, account ownership and control. And here you will get the option for memorialization, deactivation and deletion. Click on the deactivation and deletion and select your profile. Now click on the deactivate account option and press continue. Now press continue again and insert your Facebook password and press continue button. And done. Your Facebook account is deactivated. Thanks for watching the video. If you need any kind of help with social media marketing and management, feel free to contact me. Thank you.